This is installation day. This is an exciting time. Our client, we sat down with them a number of times just going through different ideas. You know, we really wanted to design a bespoke design, something that fit their personality. There's always budget that's concerning and how much it's going to cost on the initial installation. There's a lot we can do with lighting. I always say we can do just about anything with lighting, it's just time and money. So what we did is we came up with a stepped plan. So this stage, we decided to focus on the front of the house. This is going to be the most impactful section that we do. So we're lighting the trees properly, pulling the lights further back, adding the proper lighting on the front of the house, doing some second story and third story lighting. So we're meeting with the customer. We're going to walk them through the installation. Josh is going to talk to them, go through the plans. We're then going to really get going on this installation. They have a full working plan on what we're going to do and how we're going to accomplish this as efficiently as possible, making certain we don't tear up the yard. Our goal is to make the property look better than when we got here and add beautiful lighting to it. So stay tuned to watch the entire installation as we showcase each step we're doing and also the final reveal night so you could see the design and how it all turns out.